Almost 11 years ago, I released a strange, Lego-like add-on for Doom known as The Sky May Be. My intention in creating it was to build something that was totally, utterly unlike anything which had ever gone before. Since then, it has been both vilified and praised as a work of twisted genius in about equal measure. In this video, I am about to demonstrate the rare, unreleased Doom 2 version of Blessed, which is the modified engine used by Sky May Be. For the purposes of the demonstration, we'll be using one of Daniel Norman's Final Gathering levels. Here's a quick recap. As you can see, the plasma gun launches radiation mines, as does the rocket launcher. We'll go into God mode for the rest of the video, not that it will help us. We're running under the Doom Legacy engine in OpenGL mode. It's a little buggy, so if walls disappear, don't be alarmed. Cacodemons purify you. I think that's clear enough. Demons fire little blobs, which are actually chain gunners. The blobs shoot at you until they hit the walls and vanish. As you can see on the map, we'd be very dead if we weren't in God mode. If you can break free of the stream, it is of course possible to get the blobs to kill their creators. Troopers. They run away from you until they die, at which point they turn into evil buggers armed with the super shotgun. This is the instant discharge cannon, by the way. All 400 rounds fire instantly. It can take down any monster in the game. Barrels. I don't think it requires much more explanation. Now, over there is one of the principal Doom 2 extensions, the Eraser. Each one of the bolts they fire can do 80 million damage points. As we can see, this is a force to be reckoned with, putting even the Imp's BFGs to shame. The Blessing Cannon. This does 2 billion damage points, and owing to the wonders of 2's complement arithmetic, this means that it will either bless its target with immortality, or expel them as gamma radiation. But you never know which in advance. Just so we all know what we're talking about, here's a demonstration of just how deadly the erasers are. Don't forget, we're in God mode. And to finish off, a few clips from Legacy in software mode. Let's see that again.